Best of wait here.
Grandma and Grandpa, we're up in the clouds.
Oh, you're up in the clouds now. Wow.
We're up in the clouds.
Yeah, we can see the sky, look, over there. And the clouds, can't we?
Yeah. There's trees.
Yeah.
Lots of things.
Yeah, I told you.
Blimey, Andrew, it's a long way.
And we can get down. And we
Well, we'll just have to go all the way back down.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
We have to walk.
Run
But not
that
yet,
one.
just wait a minute.
No, I'm going down now because it's too hot.
Oh, you hot, Andrew.
No.
No. Goodness me, I wish I could jump like that in this heat.
I can do that easy.
Can you?
I can walk. I can go faster than him.
Oh,
I want to do a pig.
but how old are you?
6.
Oh, Andrew.
That's down up the
Yeah.
bottom.
Andrew
Just